Every patio gathering starts with a simple, peaceful home. But scratched floors can quietly steal that comfort away. Worn chair legs leave marks, noise, and unnecessary worry. These wrought iron patio furniture fit caps change everything. Slide them onto your chairs and protect every surface. Hardwood, laminate, tile, concrete, kept cleaner, safer, happier. No more dragging sounds during morning coffee moments. No more lifting heavy furniture for every little move. Just smooth gliding across your patio, deck, or floor. Made with durable UV-safe plastic for outdoor strength. Built for sunshine, rain, and everyday family living. They help replace lost, cracked, or worn-out chair caps, so your furniture feels cared for again, and your home stays looking beautifully loved. Each cap fits snugly on one 5-inch inner diameter legs. Installation is simple, quick, and surprisingly satisfying. Just pop them in and tap gently with a mallet. In moments, your chairs are ready for use. Perfect for patios, gardens, balconies, lawns, and decks. Ideal for family dinners, quiet afternoons, and guests. A small upgrade that brings lasting peace of mind, because comfort at home includes protecting what you love, and every chair should move as gently as your care. Enjoy quieter rooms, smoother movement, and fewer floor repairs. Designed for wrought iron furniture owners who value protection. Available in a 24-pack for 6 chairs. Strong, practical, and made to fit your everyday life. Give your patio furniture the thoughtful finish it deserves. Protect your floors, preserve your furniture, and relax more. Order your chair-like caps today and feel the difference.